What is going on, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be fishing the pond. As you can probably tell, well, not really, I'm not there just yet. I just saw a fox run by like right in front of me. Kind of sketchy, but still pretty cool. I haven't fished the pond in quite some time, so I have no idea how it is, but it is that time of spawn season, and this place I figured out is absolutely fire in spawn season. So I'm going to be hunting for some spawning bass. The big fish here come out during spawn season. That's when you catch big fish at this pond. So I'm gonna head down there. Hopefully it's not too windy. It is super windy today. Hopefully it's not windy down there. Get down there, get to fishing, and hopefully we can catch a spawning fish. Let's get to it. All right, so as I suspected, it is extremely windy. I'm sure y'all can hear it. A few videos ago I said how this pond was drying up, and surely it is. It sadly is starting to dry up. The water used to be up to here, right here where this water bottle is, where this huge lay down right here is. It has gone down significantly. So summer's coming around. It's not even summertime yet. If I'm being honest, I think this pond is going to disappear. It's kind of sad because this is where my channel started. I fished this pond, made videos here, kind of where it all started right here. So it's kind of sad to see this pond drying up. With that being said, we're gonna see if we can catch some fish, bring it back old style, catch fish at this pond, hopefully some spawning fish. I hope we can catch some spawning fish. That's the main goal for today. Pond is getting smaller, shouldn't be as hard to find these fish, so hopefully these fish are willing to eat. I'm gonna go ahead and rig up, get to fishing, see if we can catch one. This wind is just fantastic. Oh, please tell me that was a bite. That felt like a bite, but can't say. Oh, I just got dumped. Got one. First fish of the day. Come on. Oh, that's a decent one. That is a nice one. Get in here, buddy. Let's freaking go. First fish of the day. Oh my gosh. I thought it was a dink, but no. Once I saw him, decent sized fish, I will take it. On the hunt for spawning fish. This is not a spawning fish. It might be a male. Tail is a little broken up right there. Maybe it is trying to find a bed. Who knows? Wow, this fish is stocked up. Insane. I actually ran into a fish. I was starting to lose hope. I've been fishing for about an hour now. About an hour, not a single bite. This fish freaking annihilated my bait. I know it's super windy and I apologize for that, but I'm gonna keep fishing. It does look like maybe it's starting to make a bed. Look at that tail right there. Wow. First fish of the day. I will take them. Gonna go ahead and get a release on this fish. Here he goes. Let's freaking go. Yes. Don't know I'm gonna catch another one. That's the thing. This pond is very hard to catch fish, but once you do catch them and once you figure them out, it's pretty easy. Don't know that I have them figured out. I might have just gotten lucky with that fish. I'm gonna keep fishing. That tells me they are up shallow though. They're up shallow. As you can see, that fish, the tail was kind of like, might have been a male on a bed, starting to fan. So that's a good sign. Do want to catch a big female though. I think that was a male, not too sure, but it did seem like it was starting to spawn. It was on a bed maybe. The tail was a little broken up. Not a bad sign, not a bad fish either. Like I said, I apologize for the wind. It is extremely windy, but we caught a fish. Gonna keep fishing, see if I can locate another one. Hopefully we can. Been fishing for about an hour. Give it another hour or two and see if we can run into another one. All right, so for those of you who are wondering the bait I'm using a Cinco natural color with like a little bit of white on the bottom, and it's so weird because I mean the camera for sure picks it up how murky and how nasty this water is. As you can tell from that fish that I just caught, very pale. That's how all the fish are here in this area, super pale. I'm assuming that's because of the water clarity. For some odd reason, I catch fish on natural color baits. That's what seems to work here. I have no idea why. If I saw this pond at first glance, I would think black and blue. But no, they like natural color. That's what I caught that fish on. Natural color, 2/0 hook, 3/16 bullet weight, pegged. Not a bad fish. I'm gonna keep fishing like I said. I just want this wind to calm down. Switched up to a crankbait. Don't know how this is gonna go. I've been fishing for about another hour and a half. Tied on this crankbait. Caught a fish on it here before, so why not give it a shot? Try this crankbait. Oh! I absolutely got murked right now. On the crankbait, I got freaking murked. Set the hook way too early though. I'm sure the camera picked that up. That's like my second cast with this crankbait. All right, folks, that is going to effectively end today's video. I caught 1 fish in total today. Got 2 bites. That last bite, I'm not too sure if it was a big fish. I rarely fish with crankbaits, so could have been a big fish. It felt like a big fish. I'm not too sure. But as you can tell, it's getting extremely windy. It's getting even windier than it already was when I got here. So it's kind of making it hard to fish. I fished for about 3 hours, caught 1 fish. That fish seemed to be spawning. That was my goal for today, to hunt for a spawning fish. I think it was a male, not too sure, but once the wind calms down, I want to get out on the lake. Hopefully they're still spawning, catch some spawning fish, because now's the time to catch giant fish. Now is the time to catch big fish. So this coming week, the weather's going to be amazing. It's going to be nice and sunny. Let's just hope the wind is not in our way. That way we can catch some fish, get out on my kayak, locate some spawning fish, and hopefully land a giant. But that being said, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If y'all did, smash the like button, drop any comments down below for any future video ideas that y'all may have. Subscribe to the channel if y'all haven't already. With that being said, I'll catch y'all next time on JJ Fishes.